Hi guys, I'm going to be doing a bike check. We'll start up top with the Odyssey Aaron Ross grips. These grips are terrible, they slip. This one over here just broke in half out of nowhere. I've got the Odyssey Lumberjack bars, took the sticker off. The Tektro brake lever with an animal linear cable in white. Got the Eastern Decepticon stem in blue. It's a pretty good stem. It's like 6 ounces or something like that. I've got stock forks, Hoffman forks. Not the greatest, but it'll do. I've got the Animal GLH front tire with an Odyssey Hazard Light rim laced to a Odyssey Vandero 2 front hub. It's a great hub. It doesn't stop rolling. With Shadow Conspiracy blue spokes. Just nice color combination. With the Hoffman Scarab frame. The Hoffman Dinky sprocket. Some crappy KMC chain. It's really rusty. Thinking about getting a Shadow one. I've got cranks, Hoffman crank, stock cranks, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals in limited edition ocean blue. I've got the Hoffman repeater seat with the Hoffman seat post and seat clamp. I've got Tektro U-brake lever with clear Odyssey pads. They work, they squeak really loud. I've got the Fit FAF back tire with the Odyssey Hazard Light rim laced to a Demolition Ashley hub with Shadow spokes. The Ashley hub's pretty good, it's loud, and it comes with a hub guard. I don't know if you can see that there. It's really good. I'll give you a sound in a second. Here's the sound of the hub. And that's without any of the grease taken out. This bike is pretty good overall. Here's a view from it. See the whole thing. Alright, thanks.